Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla and here we love to talk about all things luxury and high-end makeup and beauty. So today, since Valentine's Day is coming up, I wanted to create a Valentine's appropriate makeup look. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I did put a little bit of primer on my eyelids just because I always do that when I'm gonna be using any kind of powder eyeshadow. But first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this Eldridge liquid Lurex in the shade Bianca. It's just a beautiful, beautiful shimmery pink, and I'm gonna kind of use this as a base. So as you can see, just a beautiful, beautiful shimmery pink goodness. I really just took it and like blended it really well all over my lid. Now, after I'm finished, I may go in and add some more just to make that inner corner area pop. But for now, I'm just gonna keep it like that. Okay, so I mean, if you really just wanted like a very, very simple, pretty, easy eyeshadow look, you could just do this, pop on some mascara and be done. But I do want to create a little bit of depth. So I'm going to go into this Pat McGrath Mothership Mega Celestial Divinity palette. I think it was from like 2 holidays ago. And I'm going to go into this shade down here. I think it's maybe called Smoked Amethyst. That would make sense, right? This smoked amethyst shade. I'm just gonna kind of add some of that to the outer corner to start creating some depth. So just created a little bit of depth on that outer corner. I am gonna go in with a little bit deeper of a shade just to deepen it up a little bit more, but I'm gonna go add that shade to this eye and I'll be back. All right, so I added that shade to the other eye. Now, I know we're flip-flopping palettes, y'all, but I just really wanna try this color combo. I'm gonna go into the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and I'm gonna go into the shade down here called Hot Mess, just to add just a little bit more depth. Because I am gonna do a bold lip, so I really don't want this to be too heavy. So now I'm gonna go back into the same brush that I used for that first matte shade. It's the, I'm sorry, I think I forgot to mention it. It's the Sonia G Soft Shader. I didn't clean it off. I'm just gonna take it to kind of blend that out a little bit. Okay, so I added that to the other eye. I did the same thing. I know it looks messy right now, but as I always say, I'm gonna clean it up when I do my base. So I think just to make it really pop, I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit more of this Eldridge liquid Lurex in Bianca to that inner portion of my eye. So pretty. Y'all, if y'all haven't picked up these Eldridge shadows yet, just at least go pick one up. They're amazing. You can use them as I'm doing, like a base. Sometimes I use them as just like a one and done everyday shadow. They're really beautiful. Okay, so I am gonna go do my base just because that's really nothing different, nothing special. And then I'm gonna come back to do my lip because that is something special. Okay, so I finished up my base, I finished up my eyes, all of that. I will link all of the products down below that I used except for the foundation because it's not out yet. It's really crazy for me to even say that. It's not out yet. It's coming out soon. So whenever it does come out, I will be posting a full review, but it's very pretty. It's not the Kosas, although I will be picking that one up. So anyways, now I wanna add a lip. And whenever I think of pinks and reds, nobody does it better than Lisa Eldridge, in my humble opinion. So today I'm gonna be using Love of My Life. It's this beautiful, beautiful pink. I'm not gonna line them. Maybe I'll end up going in and lining them, but for now, I'm just gonna go in with this lipstick. Okay, so I added that. I'm actually gonna go in too with a little bit of her Velvet in Skyscraper Rose. I don't know, that was dumb when I put that on. I really thought that that's what I was using, but I'm gonna add a little bit of that too. So as you can see, that deepened it up a little bit and made it pop just a little bit more. So this is the finished look. I mean, it's for Valentine's Day, so of course we're gonna do pinks and reds and really pretty colors like that. I feel like even with this eye look, if you wanted to go in with a red lip, you could. I just really wanted to stick with the pinks today. Let me know in the comment section down below what kind of looks you're gonna be creating for Valentine's Day. If you like any of these products or will be using any of these products. Also, if you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of our little fam here on YouTube. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there too. Thank y'all so much for watching. Have a happy, happy Valentine's Day if you celebrate, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.